In the world of reality television, few transformations have been as emotional, inspiring, and hard-fought as the journey of Tammy Slaton from TLC's hit show 1000 LB Sisters. For years, fans watched Tammy struggle with mobility issues, health scares, and an isolating housebound lifestyle that left physically trapped and emotionally drained. But now, in a powerful turn of events that has left her supporters in tears, Tammy Slaton has finally broken free and taken her first significant step outside after years of being confined indoors. The emotional moment has struck a chord with viewers across the globe, turning her story into a beacon of resilience, determination, and hope. Tammy's struggles were no secret to fans who followed her reality TV journey from the very beginning. At her heaviest, she weighed over 700 pounds and relied on others for her daily care, including her sister Amy Slaton Halterman, who became both her caretaker and confidant. Simple activities such as walking, leaving the house, or even sitting without assistance were daunting tasks for Tammy. Episodes of the show frequently highlighted how Tammy's condition kept her from living a normal life, something she desperately craved but found impossible due to her size and related medical conditions. For years, she was housebound, confined to a few rooms and rarely able to experience the outdoors. This sense of confinement was both physical and mental, making her long-awaited first step outside all the more poignant. The breakthrough moment came after months of rehabilitation, weight loss, and personal dedication. Tammy's time in a weight loss rehabilitation facility played a crucial role in her transformation. She underwent therapy, medical supervision, and rigorous weight management programs designed not just to help her shed pounds, but also to rebuild her strength and mobility. Fans who kept up with her updates on social media and through the show began to notice subtle changes, a slimmer face, brighter eyes, and a more hopeful outlook. But no one was fully prepared for the emotional impact of seeing Tammy finally take steps outside for the first time in years. Witnesses described the scene as overwhelmingly emotional. The moment Tammy wheeled herself toward the door and then stepped onto the outside pathway, sunlight hitting her face, her expression said it all. This was freedom. For someone who once thought she might never leave her home or live beyond her mobility scooter, that single step represented not just movement, but a reclaiming of her independence. Fans watching through shared clips and photos couldn't contain their emotions. Social media exploded with supportive messages, with hashtags like #ProudOfTammy and #TammyStrong trending shortly after the reveal. For many viewers, Tammy's outdoor step was not just about physical progress, it symbolized a triumph of the human spirit. Supporters flooded Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram with heartfelt posts, some admitting they were in tears watching her finally experience something many take for granted: fresh air, freedom, and the ability to move forward. One fan wrote, "I never thought I'd cry watching someone walk outside, but Tammy Slaton just reminded me that every small step can be the biggest victory." Another added, "She's showing all of us that it's never too late to fight for your life. I'm rooting for your Tammy." Doctors and health experts who have followed Tammy's story weighed in on the significance of this moment. They explained that breakthroughs like this are not just physical but psychological milestones. For someone in Tammy's situation, regaining mobility after years of being housebound can reduce the risk of depression, improve cardiovascular health, and increase motivation for further progress. Her determination to push herself out of her comfort zone, despite years of setbacks, highlights the importance of persistence and support systems in major lifestyle changes. What makes Tammy's step outside even more powerful is the history of setbacks she has faced along the way. Viewers of 1000 LB Sisters will recall the moments when Tammy's health spiraled, her frightening hospitalizations, the oxygen tubes, and the constant fear of her not surviving another day. In many ways, her situation once seemed hopeless, with doctors cautioning her that her weight and lifestyle placed her at extreme risk of early death. Yet, Tammy's decision to commit to change, alongside the unwavering support of her family and medical team, turned her story around. This first outdoor moment became a visual proof that her hard work had finally paid off. Her sister Amy was reportedly one of the most emotional witnesses during the event. Having supported Tammy through thick and thin, Amy often bore the emotional weight of caring for her sister while balancing her own life as a mother. Seeing Tammy finally walk outside was said to be a heartwarming reminder that all the struggles, arguments, and sacrifices were worth it. Family members expressed pride in how far Tammy had come, reinforcing that her fight was a collective one, shared by everyone who refused to give up on her. In addition to her family, Tammy's fans have been like an extended support network, cheering her on through every milestone. Over the years, Tammy's relationship with fans has been complicated. At times, she faced criticism for her choices, stubbornness, and reluctance to change. But now, as she embraces healthier habits and proves skeptics wrong, fans are uniting behind her transformation. Many have said this moment felt personal, as if they too were stepping outside after being trapped for so long. Tammy's resilience has sparked conversations about self-acceptance, forgiveness, and the idea that progress, no matter how small, deserves celebration. Looking ahead, the step outside is likely just the beginning of a new chapter in Tammy's life. Sources close to her suggest that she has plans to expand her horizons, both literally and figuratively. Now that she has regained mobility, she reportedly wants to travel, spend more time with her family outdoors, and even take on activities she once thought impossible. While her journey is far from over, Tammy's breakthrough suggests that her future is brighter than ever. TLC has also hinted that upcoming seasons of 1000 LB Sisters will showcase more of Tammy's progress, ensuring that fans remain part of her ongoing transformation. The world loves a comeback story, and Tammy Slaton's journey embodies exactly that. From being bedridden and housebound to stepping outside into the open air, she has defied expectations and proven that determination can break even the toughest barriers. Her story resonates because it mirrors the struggles many face, whether with health, weight, or personal demons, and shows that no situation is beyond hope. With every step forward, Tammy not only changes her own life but also inspires thousands of others to believe in their ability to change. As fans continue to celebrate her progress, one thing is certain, Tammy Slaton's first big step outside is more than a physical achievement. It is a symbol of freedom, resilience, and the promise of new beginnings. And for those who have been invested in her story since day one, the tears shed while watching her triumph are not just for Tammy, they are for everyone who has ever felt trapped and finally found the courage to break free. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.